Ever wondered why eating honey helps with coughs? It's not just sweet, it's science. Honey coats your throat with a smooth protective layer that calms irritation and reduces the urge to cough. It also has natural antibacterial properties that help fight infection while soothing your throat. Studies even show honey can work as well as cough syrup. So next time you're coughing, a spoon of honey might be all you need. Curious about more whys of the world? Hit like, tap subscribe, and dive into the hidden science of daily life with Believe It or Why.